How to fix Shopee no cash on delivery available? For this problem, there could be too many reasons. The very important, you have two or more failed COD orders because the items were not received when delivered. So if you have got two or more failed cash on delivery orders, then you will not get a third chance to get a COD on the next purchase. And the another reason could be from the seller side. So there are too many products and there are so many sellers where they don't allow cash on delivery orders, right? For example, if I just go and click checkout on both of this product, cash on delivery is allowed. So let me show you. So here the third reason could be, if you just go to the payment option, make sure you just select cash on delivery, because in the payment method there are too many methods to pay, right? So if you have not selected cash on delivery, you will never get cash on delivery. So this is very important reason. The third reason could be that you have checked out your product, different products with different payment method. So make sure whenever you are going to check out for any one product or too many products at one point of time, make sure you go to the payment option and select cash on delivery. Then only you will be available, or then only you have a chance to get a COD. And make sure that that seller also provide a cash on delivery. So if you're not getting, there could be any one of the reason which I have stated. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.